How you guys doing? I got a Whirlpool microwave here that goes above the stove. It's has two light options, bright and dim. There you go, and off. The fan speed has 3 speeds. And you can't see the button that you press from right here, but you can hit this open button. It's a little messy. We've had it a couple of weeks now. Anyway, on the inside there's some cooking guides for different items. And there's your buttons right here. Has a clock, of course, and let's say just say 3 seconds since the microwave is empty. Hit 3, and I'll just show you the little tone it has when it's done. Just hit this. Has a pretty cool little noise to it. I think it's pretty neat. You don't have to hit that button to open it. There's a, actually, I'm sorry, the little handle right here. You can just pull it manually. And this is like a quick 30 seconds. Like you put something in there, put something in there, shut the door, hit that, and bam, 30 seconds pop up, it starts. Anyway, the microwave measures 10 inches from here to here, 30 inches from end to end, and 18.5 inches from here to the tile. And it's pretty fast microwave. It cooks pretty fast here. Anyway, I'll show you the inside measurements. It's 7 inches on the inside. Has a turntable. Sorry, it's messy. A lot. This is a stainless steel. And it's a pretty nice microwave overall. I would recommend it to anybody. Easy installation. It takes 2 people to do it. But you know, there's a plug that you on the back of the microwave. You can't really see it right here. It's a mess. It just plugs into the back of the cabinet. I had to drill a hole in the cabinet to run the cord through. But overall, I loved it so far. And quite a few people complimented the microwave. But that's my review of it. That's my opinion. Thank you for watching.